How's it going, ladies and gents, boys and girls? My name's Tom Dyer, and today I'm going to be teaching you 3 linking moves that you can use with 3 bottles, plus telling you who's won each one of these bottles. Stick around. Tom Dyer! That's right, I'm going to be showing you 3 moves which I use to link moves together, especially using 3 bottles. The first one looks like this. You can go this way or this way. The second move looks like this. And the third move, which I used a lot, looks like this. So I can put all 3 of those moves into a sequence, looks like this. So all 3 of these moves involve 2 bottles, and the third bottle you're just holding on to. This is why I call them linking moves. But they look good by themselves anyway, and they can help you get to other moves. So the first one is basically this, which what you need to learn is how to do the thumb roll to a tennis grab. So if you're holding a bottle in a tennis grab like this, okay, and you do a thumb roll, right, but you're doing it across here, it will come off your hand and then you catch it. Like this. So the bottle that I'm releasing from these 2 hands, I've got it in a tennis grip. I'm releasing the one that my fingers are holding on to. So I'm holding on to this one, and this one I'm going to be releasing. So I'm going to release and grab like this, okay? Release and grab like this. But at the same time, I'm doing the thumb roll. So the idea is that as you throw that bottle and release it, I do a thumb roll, I come across and I grab the bottle in between my other fingers. So basically the bottle is going from this position to this position, but I'm doing a thumb roll with this hand in between. So I come over, thumb roll, grab. And then you can do it back the other way. Over, thumb roll, grab. Over, thumb roll, grab. Over, thumb roll, grab. Now my top tip for this is when you throw this bottle, you're throwing it, but you're pulling it this way. So it should follow the bottle that you keep hold of. So essentially, if you let go, you can catch it in that same hand again. But you're gonna come across, you're gonna let go with this hand, and the other hand's gonna come across, and then you're gonna grab it. Simple as that. Right, the next move I really like, and it's a drop and a throw. So the same concept as before. I'm holding onto one bottle, I'm releasing one from the bottles, the 2 bottles that I'm holding in my hand, and throwing the other bottle to catch in that same hand. So the move looks like this. Now, all you're doing with this, if I'm gonna put that bottle down, this hand is coming up, I'm gonna release the one that my thumb is holding on to, and then my hand stays that way around, open. As that one drops down, I switch with the other bottle, which does a double spin, and I catch back exactly in the same position that I released the bottle. So I release, throw, catch. Release, throw, catch. If I put that bottle down, all I'm doing is this, but I'm holding on to a 3rd bottle. And the trick with this is that you bring this hand up, and as you come up, you release, throw, and catch, okay? So release, throw, catch. When you release these bottles, you just want to catch it in the other hand in tennis grip. No fanciness, nothing else, just drop down into your other hand. Takes a little bit of practice to perfect it, but it's a really nice linking move. Right, the last linking move is basically, again, with 2 bottles, but everything is happening in the same hand. So when you're flaring with 3 bottles or even 2, sometimes you're gonna catch one this way up and the other one this way up. Now you wouldn't hold on to them like this. You would let this one come over further and let it hang in your hand like this. So you've got like a cross almost. So I was trying to figure out a way how I can get the bottles back into double tennis grip, okay? But without, I didn't want to just throw like this. I came up with a different way, which is like this. But this bottle is here, and I want to get it, I want to do a flip like this, turn this bottle over, come over the top, and grab it there. That's basically the move. So I'm holding on to one there, I throw that for a single spin, I turn my hand over, and then I grab it back into tennis grip, like the other bottle. So I throw up, okay? And that's all you want to start to do first, is throw up for a single spin, okay? And what happens is, when you come to there, this bottle is back here. So you're gonna turn it over in front of you and catch there. Be careful not to hit yourself in the back of the head. So everything should happen in front of you, okay? Not coming close to my head. I'm coming up, turning over and grabbing. I'm coming up, turning over and grabbing. So now you know all those linking moves. I can put them all together. I'm holding them in this position, tennis grip over here, change, thumb roll, catch, back the other way, okay? Drop, catch, and then the same one again, drop, catch. Great little moves that you can use for linking 3 bottle moves together. The more you practice those, the more other moves will come from that. Then you can start developing them into something a bit more difficult, a bit more original, or something else. I hope they help you out, and if you're struggling with any of those moves, do let me know in the comments box below. But without further ado, I need to let you know who's won each one of these bottles. So I apologize in advance if I pronounce anybody's name incorrectly. First person, congratulations to Milu Roberts. Second one is going to Darshan Singh Garia. And the third one is going to Gustavo Figuerea. Again, I'm sorry if I pronounce those names incorrectly. I'll make sure I list them at the end of the video as well. But thank you very much to each and every one of you who did comment on the last video to try and get one of these bottles. I wish I could give one to every single person, but unfortunately I can't. If you want to see the bloopers of this video, just go to my Patreon account, where I'll be putting some of these along with some of my other videos, where you can get access to my bloopers and behind the scenes content. But give those a shot. Let me know how you get on. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go down, hit subscribe. If you've got this far, it means you like the video, I hope. So smash that like button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you then.